All right, guys, we got us a 2017 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter V8. Really beautiful car. Nice pearl white. Got long tube headers there and there. They were installed somewhere else. Got high flow cats right there and right there. It was leaking on the back flanges. We cut them off and put some sleeves in for them because it was leaking real bad. Then we continue the kit. It's a BORLA ATAK kit. It's got BORLA X pipe, true flow, BORLA adapters there and there. And then it's got BORLA ATAK rear mufflers, axle back there and there. Into 5-inch tips right there and right there. So I said, if we brought it in, I said, we'll let you guys hear the BORLA ATAK after it breaks in, how they sound like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, especially with long tube headers. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, we got a 2019 Chevy Camaro 6.2 liter SS. Got some really nice wheels on it. What we got done on it for you, it's got long tube headers there and there. High flow cats there and there. Then it's got a custom 3-inch system with a aftermarket X pipe right there, 3-inch all the way back. And what we did is we did a rear muffler delete, 2.5-inch there and there, into, because he wanted it loud, so we made it a little bit smaller for it to be louder. Into quad tips, blue flame, right there and right there, as you guys can see. There's the stock muffler that we took off, massive muffler. That's what it looks like after. It's got a tune on it too. So he already deleted these two. Those baffles, he deleted them. So you don't need to put them on. But if he didn't have a tune on it, we would have zip tied them away. So they weren't even plugged in. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Back it up. Yep. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Hope you guys like it. Oh my God. Woo. Again. There's sound decibels. It hit 122 earlier. That sounds so mean. That sounds so sick. Man, you can hear it. It's alive. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lower, got a nice stance to it.